Good morning, William of Williams, Philippines. It is Tuesday, May 6th at about 9:45 in the a.m. Hey, well, we've been getting a lot of rain. Supposed to get some today and some tomorrow. Hopefully by Thursday it'll have dried out because I'm supposed to go ride a scooter on a motorcycle for that class on Thursday and Friday. So I'm hoping we get a couple of days of dry weather. Uh, at least I'm hoping so. It'd be nice. Uh, I don't know about y'all, but it's a little on the cool side. I think it was mid 40s or so this morning. And yeah, get your attention kind of weather because, well, it is already May. And yeah, uh, it is 49 right now and was, I think the low was down, yeah, 46. Yeah. Sorry. But yeah, the little bit on the cool side for me. But then again, I've also seen it on the hot side for me before. So I've seen it snow in May. I've seen it actually snow there first week of June. My aunt said she saw it uh, do a snow on the 4th of July. I ain't seen that one, but I ain't gonna argue with her. She's been around longer than I have, seen a lot more. So yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, the weather around here is definitely interesting. I've seen it worse, I've seen it better, so can't say much about it. But yeah, the weather would be nice if it actually dries out. Looks like the Filipino peso is finally bottomed out at, or the dollar's bottomed out at the Filipino peso being worth 55.4. Maybe a little lower. So the dollar's weaker, peso's getting strong. Yay, Philippines. Boo, my wallet. Actually, the with all the pesos, probably could have sold them and made a profit. Eh, oh well. I think I'll stick with having them. I'm gonna need them. So yeah, it is what it is. Sorry, I'm tired. I want to go to sleep. I just finished eating. I want to go to sleep. Trying to get a couple things done before I do that. This is one of them. But yeah, the video here. I'm thinking I need to try to get in here and get this Ozbot settings done because apparently it reads backwards, and that's not good because everything's facing the wrong way. And if you try to hold something up for somebody to read, they can't read it unless they read backwards. Well, I know there's a setting for it. I'm pretty sure there's a setting where you can put it on there and it'll keep it, not have to do it every time. We'll see. It's in there somewhere. Okay. Yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I'm trying to figure something out. Uh, Supposed to have a airline branded card come in and it didn't make it here. I'm wondering where it's at. At least I think I'm supposed to. I'm going to try to call them. It's another one of the things I'm going to do after I get done here. Because, well, it is what it is. You know, if it didn't come in, I'm in trouble. I need to go find it or get it taken care of and fixed because somebody done found it. Well, I don't think they actually found it. I don't think it's got here yet. Today, tomorrow, latest. Past that, I'm gonna have to start grumbling. But yeah, porch pirates. The headaches of thereof. I'm tired of them. It's one of the better things about having the mailbox. Boy. But yeah, my online mailbox anytime, you know, that's who I'm using. And so far they seem pretty good. Uh, they've taken care of when they had somebody that did do wrong and got me swapped over. Only thing was, it's further away than I wanted, but hey, the guy that caused the problem is no longer my problem. So good riddance. They got rid of him. Wish the location was still here, but hey, it is what it is. Anyway, yeah. I'm tired. And I've got things I need to get done. So I need to get this in the can and get going. Uh, yeah, Dan, the memory is a good thing, but it's costs. Uh, everything costs nowadays. Dollars aren't going as far. Only thing is our world reserve dollars actually the only thing that everything. Well, it's the thing that everything's pinned to. So it's got a bit more power and staying power, so it doesn't crash as fast. But it's still a mess. Yeah, there's a bunch of issues when it comes down to the dollars, the money in the world. If it doesn't have metal in it, it's not real money. It's fiat, and thus is just your imagination that it still has value. And the only true value it has is as scrap paper. And how much value does scrap paper have? Yeah, it is what it is. It's worrisome. Yeah, I need sleep. Anyway, I hope you all have had a good day. Lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. And again, more food. That's why I'm so sleepy right now. I ate and I'm ready to sleep. It's a good thing. Anyway,